Like, look at this. Look at this. I did not put any product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi if you're new here, and if you're not new, thank you for stopping by to check out this video. In this video, I'm basically showing you guys how I got this. And if you're wondering what this is, well, you clicked the video for a reason. But basically, I am clarifying my hair as a new start to the year 2021. I felt like my hair had so much gunk and like buildup, and it wasn't really absorbing products, so I did a little research, went on the interwebs, on the Googles, and I made sure to look up how to clarify my natural hair. And I found that you use a baking soda and apple cider vinegar solution rinse situation to clarify the hair, and that really does like a little reset for your hair. I'm a firm believer in it now. I'm gonna start doing this like once or twice every few months because the way my hair feels right now, I have no product. I know it's not as defined anymore because it's been a few minutes now, but it is super like soft and it just feels clean, and that is what I wanted to achieve. Okay, so for the baking soda paste, I'm gonna start off with some baking soda. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that into my little bowl, and then I'm also gonna use this OWA hair care shampoo. It's a powder to liquid shampoo. You just add water and it becomes a shampoo. You can use your regular liquid shampoo if you want. Doesn't really matter. So I go ahead and put that together, and then I add some warm water. So that warm water is really gonna get that baking soda dissolved so it's not super grainy. And yeah, and so you're just gonna take a spoon or whatever, mix it together until it's like a runny-ish paste consistency where you can still like pour it with your spoon like I'm doing, but also it's not like so thick that you can't like spread it through your hair. And then for the apple cider vinegar rinse, I am gonna just take some apple cider vinegar, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and add some warm water to it and shake that up. I'm using a random bottle that I used to have shampoo in or conditioner or something, and I'm just gonna shake that up, and that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and see what it looks like under here. I have not washed my hair in like 2 weeks. It's an old twist out, super matted. I'm scared. We're gonna see it together. So without further ado, let go. Oh God. Wow. Wow. Okay. So just like to show you guys how matted my hair is right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and stretch it out. Just stretch out like a piece. Just gonna take this piece. Let's see. Like, what? Like, look at this. It's like a weird sponge thing. Oh wow. Okay, yeah. Need some help. Okay, so I went ahead and changed into something a little nicer for, you know, the messiness, because I have a feeling it's going to be super messy. And then I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections, and I'm actually going to go ahead and start in the front of my hair, just because I feel like my hair in the front is just, it goes through it a little bit more than my hair in the back. So yeah. Ooh-wee. Oh my God, I can barely even make a section. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this section right here. And I'm just gonna take a little water in my spray bottle just to make it easier to work with. I'm gonna give my hair a quick spray. And what I'm gonna do is just gonna do another little section just to work with a little bit more easily. So now that I have my section, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying my mixture. So it's really thick and gloopy. It applies on really easily. It's not really rough, other than when I really rub my hands together, which is nice. And then I'm also going to focus on my ends. And I'm just going to quickly like rub it together in my hands. And I feel like that's really going to get the products going and activating, especially that baking soda. And it smells pretty baking soda-y. I don't know if you guys know what like that baking soda smell, a little sciencey. That's what it smells like. But just working it into my hair like that, rubbing it in. It's not as messy as I actually thought it would be, which is nice. I'm just gonna take a little bit more. Ooh, that just got in my eye. There we go. Section 1 done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the sections, and then I'll catch up with you guys after that. Okay, so now I've put all the baking soda mixture throughout my hair, and honestly, I smell like a science experiment, but my hair actually feels really soft, which is weird. I don't know why, but it feels soft. So it says to leave it in for 3 minutes. I know the front sections have been left on longer than 3 minutes. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I am gonna go ahead and wash this out in the shower. I'm not gonna bring you guys with me, but yeah, it's just gonna be rinsing it out. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and follow it up with the apple cider vinegar rinse that I made. And all that is I'm just gonna wash my hair, rinse it out, and then put the apple cider vinegar rinse in my hair, and then leave that on for about 10 minutes and then rinse that out. Simple. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and come back and show you guys what my finished look looks like. And let's see if this is really gonna be clarified, okay? Okay guys, so this is my hair straight out of the shower. I have not put any product in it, and as you can see, it is like super defined. Wow. Those are such defined curls. I actually can't believe it. It's crazy. It's like so cute. And in the shower, everything was defined. This is like no moisturizer, no conditioner, nothing. Just straight up me. Woo-wee. Curls on fleek. Sorry, I know it's not that big of a deal. Like, it doesn't look that much, but for me, this is a lot. Like, I never get definition. Like, look at this. Look at this. Never get definition like that. Like, straight out of the shower. So that's awesome for me. The one thing I will say is my hair does still smell a little bit like apple cider vinegar. So, you know. But I think after I put some conditioner in it, leave-in, deep conditioner, that smell will go away. It's not too like nasty anyways. Also, I wanted to say that my hair felt so soft in the shower. It was like butter. With the shampoo baking soda solution, I was able to like detangle my hair with just water going through. I didn't have to do anything else, which was insane. And then the apple cider vinegar rinse, I was still able to detangle. So that's amazing. I've never been able to detangle with just like shampoo and water. That's awesome. Okay? Like, straight up. I didn't put any conditioning products and I was able to detangle. That's so cool. So, you know, if you guys want to try it out, get this clarified look, try it. Honestly, make sure you do the apple cider vinegar rinse, because the baking soda, the pH level on it tends to make your hair a lot drier, and it alters the pH of your scalp. So when you go in with the apple cider vinegar rinse, also make sure you go in with that in your scalp because it really ensures that the pH goes back to normal because, you know, a little bit of science, but they balance each other out. One is an acid, one is a base. Put it together and it's neutral. So yeah, that is the finished tutorial. It wasn't really much of a tutorial, but you know, I just really wanted to like document this, you know, 2020, a new start for me and my hair. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, go ahead and subscribe and also like this video. I am gonna really try to post this year often, and I want you guys to hold me to it. On here, on the gram, hold me to it. So make sure I do it. Peer pressure is the best kind of pressure when it comes to this. Make sure I do this. And again, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful beginning to your 2021. And yeah, stay healthy. Bye guys.